Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you've got a damaged recovery tank drain hose and you need to replace it, super simple, this is how we do it. Go ahead and loosen the hose clamp and remove this side from the recovery tank. Now what we're going to do is we're going to feed it down through the battery compartment. All we need to do now, take that hose, pop it off just like that. Take your new hose, install it, just reverse your steps. I always clamp it down first. Feed it back up through the battery compartment. Put your hose clamp back on. Reattach it to the recovery tank. And tighten the hose clamp back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.